Hello everyone, it's Miranda. I don't know why I'm talking in a high-pitched voice like this. It just came out. Okay, should I start that over again? Leave it in there. That's why you like me, right? Okay, it's been a long day already and it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'm with you guys, right? Makes everything all better. So, alright guys, I got my Look Fantastic. I actually got it a couple days ago. It's just been, like, my week has just flown by. Which is unusual for me because I'm usually like, I gotta get this open. But yeah, so here we go. So this is the box that came in this month. This is only my second month with it, but they've had a different box every month, but apparently they don't normally it's pink or something. Maybe I'm thinking of Glossy Box. I don't know, who knows. Okay, so when you open it, there's usually a saying inside, and it says, "There's beauty in simplicity." So true. So true. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. And this tells you everything. I know they had a spoiler last month. So this month there's nothing. It just says your May box will be all about urban beauty. Whether it's makeup, can be done while in the subway, or polluting protecting skincare. Ooh, next month's gonna be a good one. So yeah. And then it'll tell about the products. Oh, they've got prices on here. I mean, they're not in Canadian, but I mean, usually about $3 or $4 difference between. All right, and then you get an Elle magazine. I like bring these into my doctor's office. Because I don't generally read them, people like to read through them and stuff like that, so usually mostly ads. Alright, and then you get this. Alrighty, so that's what it looks like inside. I found with like these boxes there isn't really any variants, they just send out. So we'll use the booklet to talk about what is in here. Alright, so the first thing I'm seeing is this. Emma Hardy Midas Touch Revitalizing Cream. Rich with hyaluronic acid. Lock in moisture levels beneath the skin surface. Ooh, I love anything with hyaluronic acid because my nose and my T-zone need it. This is worth $13 in pounds, so like $18, $19. Is that for like this, or is that for like the full size? I don't know, because wow, that's little. It's only 0.5 fluid ounces, so ooh, must be expensive stuff. Okay, so it's got a little like tabby thing on it, so I'm not gonna open it up because I need to use what I have going on right now, and I want to do some reviews on those ones. So like, if I don't know what's on my face, I can't do a proper review. How can I? Alright. Okay. Next one is a Balancing Vitamin C Repair Serum. With hyaluronic acid again, so apparently there's a theme going on, and I love vitamin C stuff. It's so good for your face. So this will brighten and firm complexion while helping to reduce pigment and uneven skin tone, which I do. Always have. This one doesn't have a tabby thing, so let's just see what. Woohoo! Ooh, right off the bat, you can smell it. So that's nice. Ooh, that's quite nice. It's not quite blending in, but like Could be like my Sol de Janeiro takes a second to go in. Alrighty. Did I show you that already? I think I did, but let's just do it again. And who's that by? Balance Me Natural Skincare. That one was worth £11, so like $13-14 in Canadian. Again, is that for like the full size? Like, is that a full size? I will put something somewhere around here. I'll do a little bit of research for you. So, okay, this one, Grow Gorgeous Back into the Roots. It's almost like that didn't make sense. I think my brain didn't like quite comprehend that. Okay, so this is a stimulating scalp mask. Oh, okay, awesome. Okay, so Back to the Roots must be the company. That'll last a few times if you're only using it like on your roots. I love hair care stuff. Just, oh, it's minty. Oh, that's gonna be so good for the scalp. All right, okay. And that one is £6, which makes sense. Like, that's, you know, it's like $10 Canadian. Next is Bella Pierre Mineral Lipstick in Envy, worth £16. So again, like almost $20, something like that. That's the packaging. I'm blinding you. There we go. Try not to blind you. Ooh, wow, that's a really rich color. I might put this one in a giveaway. I had swatched kind of like the last month, like we got the Fenty and then we got something else, and it kind of like, it's kind of the same color. Yeah. I won't wear it. It's okay. It's okay. I like everything else so far, so. Okay. The next one is Niobe Recovery Mask Sensitive Skin. Oh, my husband and I really like this. It's a mask containing softening, refreshing orange flower water, vitamin E, and ingredients such as rice, poppy, tiger nut oils, and to restore fatty acid levels in the skin. Ooh, okay. What is that? And this one is $4.95. So that's recovery mask. I'm gonna keep it, but then I don't know if, let's see if it's got like a thing. No, it doesn't. Okay. I just have so, wow, that came out fast. Okay. Recovery mask. It's definitely very thick. So, very thick. Do you remember when I got my FabFitFun about 2 months ago or a month ago, and there was that one that smelled like orange peel? It kind of smells like that, but kind of grassy at the same time, if that makes any kind of sense. But maybe it's the tiger nut or the poppy. I'm sticking things in my nose, probably the poppy. It's good, but kind of just a little too intense for me, but I will try it. I will give it a try. I mean, that can't last too long, so again, after I try on my other stuff, and then last but not least, words would be awesome. There is the Haba Dead Sea Salt Natural Dead Sea Bath Salts. And this nice little package. This is worth £7. And wow, you pour the whole package into the bathtub. So for a whole one-time use, £10. Wow. Okay. I don't normally add that much. Like, I normally do about half of that, so maybe I can get away with doing 2, but I don't know. I mean, if they sell, like, they must sell it somewhere, like, ones that is a multi-use, so what does that look like? It must be this huge bag. But, I mean, that's still really cool. I like getting, like, things like this. So I always forget to buy bath salts. So that'll be awesome for just chilling out. So overall, if I kind of quickly do a tally, I'm guessing $60, $70 worth of stuff for $20. So I'm pretty happy with it. The only thing I'm probably not going to use is the lipstick. So if you like that color, those kind of colors, kind of let me know in the comments. Maybe I can send it to you. Let me know. Yeah, so that was my box. What did you think of it? Comment. Again, oh no, I didn't in my other video, I said that. So I will be having like a giveaway, a smaller giveaway for 50 when we hit 50. So like, subscribe, comment, because I love reading all your comments. It's kind of when I do it. It's like I like the interaction between all of us around the world and stuff like that. So leave a comment. And yeah, that's pretty much wraps up my day. I am off to drop off all my children, and my husband and I are having a weekend away. Yay! Alright guys, well, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I know I definitely will. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!